Ready to make your Wix website unforgettable with a header that screams you. Let's dive straight into adding and customizing that all-important header in Wix first. Hover over the very top of your website in the Wix editor. You'll see the header area highlighted. Click on it. A little menu will pop up. Look for the design option and click it. This is where the magic happens. Wix offers a bunch of pre-designed header templates. Scroll through these to find one that vibes with your brand style. Consider things like color, font, and general layout. Found one you like? Click on it to apply it to your site. Awesome! Now let's get your logo in there if you haven't already uploaded it. Do that now. Then simply click and drag your logo from your media manager into the header area. Resize it by dragging the corners until it looks perfect. Next up is the menu. Usually, Wix automatically places your menu in the header if it's not there. Find the Add button on the left-hand side of the editor. Then click Menu and Anchor. Select a menu style to add it. To edit the menu items, click on the menu in the header. Then click Manage Menu. You can rearrange the order of the pages, add new pages, or delete existing ones. To change the header background color, go back to the design panel we used earlier. Here, you can adjust the colors, fonts, and even add a background image to make your header truly unique. Finally, let's make sure your header stays put. As visitors scroll down the page, click on the header again. And in the menu that appears, look for an option like Fixed Position Toggle. That on this ensures your navigation is always accessible. And that's it. Hit publish to see your stunning new header in action. Now, go forth and create a header that makes your website shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips.